Let's learn phrasal verb, back away, idioms, slangs, and connected speech.
Listen.
Phrasal verb, back away.
Afastar-se fisicamente de algo ou alguém, dando alguns passos para trás, recuar de uma situação, decisão ou compromisso por medo ou dúvida, evitar envolvimento em uma situação difícil ou perigosa, desistir de uma discussão, conflito ou confronto, reduzir a intensidade ou envolvimento em alguma atividade.
He backs away slowly when the strange animal comes closer to him. She backs away from difficult decisions when she feels too much pressure. They back away from dangerous situations when the risks become very clear. He backs away from arguments because he prefers peaceful conversations with others. The company backs away from the project after facing many unexpected problems. He backed away quickly when the large dog suddenly started barking loudly. She backed away from the agreement after discovering several hidden problems inside it. They backed away from the dangerous plan because everyone felt extremely worried about it. He backed away from the fight before anyone could get seriously hurt there. The team backed away from the project after losing important financial support from investors.
Let's learn idioms.
I am all fingers and thumbs when trying to thread a needle. Fixing this leak is all in a day's work for a plumber. We are all in the same boat when it comes to this tight deadline. In this city, all roads lead to Rome for tourists. Remember that all that glitters is not gold when shopping for jewelry. I am all thumbs when it comes to playing the piano. Our book club welcomes people from all walks of life. The car repairs cost me an arm and a leg this month. My colleague has an axe to grind with the new company policy. My niece is the apple of my eye, and I spoil her often. Let's learn American slangs. He was sloshed and spilling drinks all over the table. She got sloshed and started singing karaoke badly. He was plastered and could barely walk in a straight line. She got plastered and lost her phone at the club. He was baked and ate an entire pizza by himself. She got baked and watched cartoons for 3 hours. He was blazed and could not stop eating snacks all night. She got blazed and listened to music until sunrise. His brain was fried after studying for 12 hours straight. She felt fried and needed a long nap immediately. He was zonked and fell asleep right on the floor. Let's learn connected speech. I have to finish my homework before I go out with my friends tonight. She have to wake up early because her flight leaves tomorrow morning. I has to leave now because the store is closing very soon. You has to be careful when you drive during heavy rain. I had to call my brother because I needed some important information. She had to change her plans after the meeting was cancelled. I need to practice English every day to improve my speaking skills. You need to check your email before making a final decision. You ought to try this restaurant because the food is really amazing. He ought to apologize after what he said yesterday. I'm trying to learn new English expressions to sound more natural. She's trying to find a better job with more opportunities. Let me explain this idea before you make a conclusion. Let me know if you need any help with your project. Give me a few minutes because I'm almost ready to leave.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.